friends, welcome to my channel. Here you can watch all the interesting and practical videos. All the content of this channel is based on the reliable medical sources of the world, and the available instructions have been tested by countless people and are 100% real and doable. So feel free, use these formulas, and enjoy the results. Today I am with you with another video, so stay with me until the end.
We all have experienced it, the experience of body muscle cramps that affects us for various reasons. Most of these cramps occur in the neck, shoulder, back, and back of the legs during daily tasks, lifting objects from the ground, while exercising, and even while sleeping. Although muscle cramps are generally not dangerous, the pain is annoying and can temporarily make it impossible to use the muscle. Causes of muscle cramps. Nervous pressure and stress. It often happens that nervous pressure leads to muscle cramps in the back of the leg during sleep. This happens even during pregnancy, following the occurrence of stress, for pregnant women in the last month of pregnancy and reducing her activity. Even in many people, muscle cramps, it happens with the nerve root in the stomach and intestines, which manifests itself in the form of stomach pain and intestinal colitis. Lack of minerals. In many cases, muscle cramps are related to the occurrence of disturbances in the balance of minerals and enzymes in the body. The decrease or increase of magnesium, calcium, sodium and potassium in the blood leads to muscle contraction and prevents it from returning to its original state. Dehydration. Dehydration leads to increased lactic acid levels in muscles and muscle pain. In fact, the loss of water in the body is the most important cause of not enough blood reaching the muscles and its cramping. In other words, during long-term activities such as heavy sports in hot weather, a large amount of body fluids are excreted. In this case, the blood volume decreased and there is not enough blood to deliver oxygen to all the muscles while exercising. As a result, the muscles do not receive enough blood during exercise and move towards spasms or cramps. By drinking water before exercise and every 15 minutes, such cramps can be prevented during activity. Decreased blood flow. Narrowing of the veins that supply blood to the legs, due to atherosclerosis, can cause muscle cramps, just like leg and arm cramps during exercise. These cramps usually disappear after exercise. Nerve pressure. Compression of the nerves in the spine, spinal stenosis, can cause leg cramps and pain. This pain usually gets worse when you walk for a long time. Walking with a slightly arched back can either improve or delay pain symptoms. Physical medicine experts believe that in rare cases, being in the wrong position during work and daily activities, such as sitting and standing for a long time and lifting heavy objects from the floor in the wrong way, leads to muscle cramps. Methods of treating muscle cramps. Muscle cramps can be treated with some simple home methods. For this purpose, some types of these quick treatments for muscle cramps are presented below. Gentle massage. A gentle massage can help reduce your pain. Rub the part of your body where you feel muscle cramps with biofreeze. This massage improves the blood flow in the affected area and relieves the tight muscles. Biofreeze is a local pain reliever that is effective for relieving muscle pain, arthritis, back, shoulder, neck strain, muscle spasm, knee, hip and back of thigh, ankle and elbow joints. Hot shower. A warm bath or hot shower can also help reduce this pain. Allow tolerably hot water to flow over your tight muscles. The heat will relieve muscle cramps and relax them. Attraction. Try this if your calf muscles are tight. While your toes are pointing up, pull your legs towards your head. Stay in this position for 30 minutes. This action will also help to relax your back and thigh muscles, and in case of cramp in the front of your thighs, pull your legs towards your buttocks and stay in this position for 30 minutes. A regular program of muscle stretching can help maintain the flexibility and relaxation of your muscles and prevent future cramps. Cold or hot compress. Rubbing an ice pack on the affected area for about 10 minutes or until the area turns red will help relax and relieve muscle cramps. The reason for the redness of the site is that the red blood cells warm the muscles. A hot compress is also a good method that you can use a warm towel or an electric blanket to stimulate the blood flow of the site and relieve the tight muscles. Water supply. Muscle cramps may also occur due to dehydration. Drink plenty of water every day and always replace the lost fluids of your body on a daily basis. Healthy diet. Your frequent muscle cramps may be a sign of a nutrient deficiency in your body. Lack of minerals such as potassium and calcium can cause muscle cramps. Add foods rich in calcium, such as yogurt and milk, as well as foods rich in potassium, such as bananas and potatoes, to your diet, and you can seek help from a doctor to prepare a balanced diet. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea contains an amino acid called glycine that helps relax muscles. To reduce muscle cramps, you should drink at least 5 cups of this tea a day. Honey. You can prevent recurrence of leg and foot cramps by eating 2 teaspoons of honey daily with food. Mustard or salt water. To relieve muscle cramps, eat a spoonful of mustard or a little salt water. Apple vinegar. This type of vinegar is a rich source of potassium. Drink a mixture of 1 teaspoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and warm water. Treatment of muscle cramps with alternative or traditional medicine. In this type of treatment, it is suggested to use vitamin B complex supplements to reduce this pain. However, more research is needed to prove this.
I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for being with me. If you like the video, please like it. Every week, a lot of interesting videos are posted on the channel, so subscribe now and press the bell button.